Hello, my name is Fiona, and I'm a certified teacher and a Praxis coach with Study.com. Are you planning to take the Physical Education Content and Design exam? This is Praxis test code 5095. Praxis 5095 is a physical education certification exam with several subtopics. This worked solution set covers the subtopic of instructional design. Let's review the types of questions you can expect to encounter on the exam. Problem number 1. Which of the following is an appropriate method to increase endurance in middle school students? Weightlifting, yoga, short sprints, or long-distance running? Weightlifting is not correct because it primarily builds strength rather than endurance. Yoga is also not correct as it mainly improves flexibility and mental focus, not cardiovascular endurance. Short sprints are also incorrect because they enhance speed and power, not the sustained energy needed for endurance. The correct answer is long-distance running, which effectively increases cardiovascular endurance by training the body to maintain prolonged physical activity, making it an appropriate method for middle school students to improve their overall stamina and endurance. Thus, the correct answer is long-distance running. Problem number 2. When teaching a new dance routine to high school students, what should a physical education teacher consider to ensure the routine is developmentally appropriate? The complexity of the routine, the teacher's own dancing skills, the popularity of the song, or the number of students in the class. The teacher's own dancing skills are not relevant here, as the focus should be on the student's abilities and not the teacher's. So we can cross that out. The popularity of the song does not necessarily mean the routine is suitable for students' developmental levels. The number of students in the class relates more to classroom management than the appropriateness of the routine. So we can also rule that out. The correct answer is the complexity of the routine, which should be suitable for the student's developmental stage and skill level, ensuring that it is challenging yet achievable, allowing students to learn and enjoy the process effectively. Therefore, the complexity of the routine is the correct answer. Problem number 3. Which of the following is the most effective approach to helping a student who is struggling with a complex gymnastics move? Breaking the move down into smaller, manageable parts. Asking a more skilled student to teach the move. Telling the student to watch YouTube tutorials. Or encouraging the student to practice more. Peer instruction might lack the necessary teaching skills and personalized approach, so it's not the best method. Telling the student to watch YouTube tutorials lacks direct, personalized feedback and may not address the student's specific issues. So we can also rule that out. Encouraging the student to practice more can lead to reinforcing mistakes and increasing frustration. So we can rule that out as well. The correct answer is breaking the move down into smaller manageable parts, which allows the student to focus on mastering each component step by step. This method ensures a structured and supportive learning process, helping the student build confidence and competence in executing the complex gymnastics move. Therefore, this is the correct answer. Problem number 4. How should a physical education teacher modify a game of dodgeball for a student with a physical disability that limits mobility? Adapt the rules to allow the student to participate in a wheelchair. Exclude the student from the game. have the student play without modification, or have the student serve as a referee or scorekeeper. Excluding the student from the game unfairly limits their inclusion and participation in physical activities. Having the student play without modifications does not account for their mobility limitations and can lead to frustration and potential injury. Having the students serve as referee or scorekeeper reduces their active participation and engagement in the game. The correct answer is to adapt the rules to allow the student to participate in a wheelchair. This approach promotes inclusion and accessibility, ensuring that all students, regardless of physical ability, can actively participate and enjoy the game of dodgeball. Therefore, adapt the rules to allow the students to participate in a wheelchair is the correct answer here. I trust I was able to clarify the types of questions you will find about the subtopic of instructional design for the Praxis 5095 exam. Please remember to like and subscribe to this channel so that with Study.com's help, you will feel well equipped and well prepared for exam day. Bye for now.